Happy Friday, distance learners. Today is May 1st, 24 days left of school. This is your last month, basically, as a fourth grader. Yes, there's 1 week in June, but that's only 4 days. Okay, so this is it. All right, May, done. This is the last problem, too, for Unit 1, Standard 4, OA1, Interpret a multiplication equation as a comparison. So a lot of things are wrapping up. So after this video, we will wrap up Unit 5, which was geometry. And I'll do 10 videos for that. And then there's over 125 videos for you to reference to whenever. Okay, remember, getting that Google Classroom, you will be using that all the way through high school. Get in there. And then remember your password, it always starts with SY. Don't forget those slashes. All right, thanks for arriving to learn. And let's wrap this up. Okay. All of you, I love it how Emmanuel was playing catch up last night. He sent me like 10 pages of notes. So was Isabella. I understand that some days might be busier or crazier than others. So if you do 3 or 4 in a day, then send them to me. That's fine. Remember, you can send them to me anytime. I was responding to some kids 8, 9, 10 o'clock last night, helping them out. I really like what I'm seeing. Also, big shout out to Emmanuel, who, one day at a time, he finished Imagine Learning Reading 2. That was the 6th student this year to finish the program, which, according to Imagine Learning Literacy, they're reading at a 7th grade level. That is amazing. Okay, so keep at it, those who are still in the program. And remember, do achieve 3,000. Okay, for each of these, if you're doing this twice, that's about 40 minutes to 60 minutes. This is about 30 minutes to 60 minutes. And then check your Google Classroom assignments. I'm not giving you a lot of assignments because I know if you do these two, your reading skyrockets. And of course, one more thing, always read books that you enjoy reading. Okay. All right. And one more thing, sorry. Make sure you are doing Imagine Math. I am going to send you daily reports on Class Dojo and to your emails where you are at in Imagine Math. Try and do 1 to 2 lessons a day. That could take you anywhere from 30 to 60 minutes. But it's critical to get to about 75 by June. So you're ready to go for 5th grade math. Okay, let's go. Finally. That was a 2.5-minute introduction. So if you're watching this next year, 2020, 2021 school year, same format will apply. Esperanza ran 3 times as many laps as Melanie. So right away we have a word problem. Let's go down with what we know. So we have a person's name. Esperanza ran 3 times. There's that keyword again. Hopefully by now, times, you know this. Watch this. I'm going to take that information and put it right here. 3 times. Here's that number 3. 3. Rewind. So where did I get this information? I got it from right here. Right away, right once you are reading word problems, pull out the information. 3 times. As many laps as Melanie. Okay. Let's go to the next one. And we're just going to put Melanie right there. Sentence 1 done. Melanie ran 4 laps. So I'm going to put this down for number 2. Put down Melanie here. Melanie ran 4 laps. Now, yes, I just did copy everything right there, but by you rewriting it again and writing it out and pulling the information out, it will help you better understand. So let's do a visual diagram. Let's say this was a block, just because we're going to area and perimeter. She ran around. That would be once. Okay, so you go all the way around 1 time. Let's say she did it again. 2 laps. And then she does it again. 3 laps. And then she does it again. 4 laps. Now, obviously, if she's running around here, it's not getting bigger and bigger and bigger. I just wanted to show you, okay, each lap. All right, so she does it 4 times. She must like to run. Now, let's go to the next one. How many laps did Esperanza run? Okay. If Melanie ran around the block once, twice, 3, 4 times, and Esperanza did 3 times as many laps, here would be your equation. 3 times 4. That's where I got this number. If Melanie did 4 laps and Esperanza did 3 times as much, that would be 12 laps. Okay? So I'd have to draw 4 more. So remember, 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 12. Notice how it's 1, 2, 3. That's 3 times as many. So it's just multiplying. It's just knowing your groups. Okay? We change this to 4 times. You just take 4 times 4, 16. That's it. We change this. You just change that. Okay? Simple enough. Enough on this. That's it, Unit 1. I will send out a quiz just for this standard later today on Google Forms. Make sure you take it. That's how you can input your scores. Okay? Have a good Friday. Have a good weekend. But just because it's the weekend doesn't mean that you can't do Imagine Math 1 to 2 lessons a day and Imagine Learning Reading. Still with my own children, I have a son who's in 5th grade and a daughter in 1st grade. They read every weekend as well. Before they play those video games or go outside and play with the caterpillars or build or whatever, you must read and do some type of math every day. Forever. Later.